Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to renew your LLC annual report in Florida with Sunbiz. All right, so let's begin with the video. To renew your LLC annual report in Florida using Sunbiz, start by visiting the official website at sunbiz.org. Once you're on the homepage, click on Search Records at the top of the screen. Then select the option to search by name. Now, once here, enter your company's name in the search field and locate your business from the results. When you find it, click on the name to open the details page. From there, copy the document number, as you'll need it for the filing process. Next, return to the homepage and hover over Manage or Change Existing Business. Then select File Annual Report from the drop-down menu. Here, scroll down and click on the link to file the current year's annual report. Here, just enter the document number you copied earlier and click Submit. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here, click Continue to proceed to your business information page. Carefully review all the details to ensure everything is accurate before moving forward. Once confirmed, proceed to the final review section. Enter the name of the person signing the report, save the registered agent information if required, and continue to the payment section. Choose your preferred payment method, typically a credit card, and enter your payment details. After completing the payment, your annual report filing will be successfully submitted, and that's it. So that's basically how you can renew your LLC annual report in Florida with Sunbiz. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.